Let's look at this question 5 on angles on a parallel line. When you look at this question, what can you see? You will see that we are asked to find the missing angles, which is S. And from this diagram, we have two pairs of parallel lines. We have this line and this line as a pair of parallel lines, while this and this line is another pair of parallel lines. So, and the information to find this S are here. And this is a parallel line which can be extended to here so that we can find this angle and find this angle. Or we can draw a line that will be parallel to this line and this line. So from here, let's draw a parallel line that will be parallel to this and this. When you draw it this way, we'll have this. Here we can name here as V. So when you look at this angle now, VST is equal to STU. That is alternative angle. Because we said that alternative angles, these are angles that are in the opposite side of a transverse line within two parallel lines. Therefore, we have VST is equal to STU. For VST will now be equal to 60 degrees. Alternative angles. So here will be 60 degrees. For this other part, we subtract 82 minus the angle VST, which is 60 degrees, to find this other part. PSV will now be equal to 82 minus VST. And our VST is equal to 60 degrees. So PSV will now be equal to 82 minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 22 degrees. So this other part will now be 22 degrees. If we are to consider this other pair of parallel lines and use this line as our transversal, we notice that this angle is equal to this angle. That is alternative angle. QPS will now be equal to PSV. Therefore, QPS is equal to PSV, which is equal to 22 degrees. Alternative angles. When you look at this question again now, this pair of parallel lines, this line is also acting as a transverse line between this pair of parallel lines. This angle will be equal to this angle, which is also called alternative angle. Our S will now be equal to angle UPS, which is equal to 22 degrees. Alternative angles. So this is our answer to this question. Please click on subscribe to get more questions on angles on a parallel line. Thank you.